soft wind through the open door, new light shining, hearts restored. The world turns golden, mornings glow. It's a time to let the blessings flow. Another year has come and gone. We've laughed, we've cried, we've carried on. Through every tear, through every song, we found our strength, we've grown so strong. Raise your hands to the endless sky. Feel the grace that never dies. May God bless you in every way. Guide your heart each brand new day. Health and joy forever stay. Dreams come true, the skies turn gray. Away. Silver hopes and golden light shine upon your path tonight. Safe from harm and peace you'll be. Love surrounds your family. Open hearts where kindness grows. Every seed of faith still knows.